Withdrawing a large amount of money from PNC Bank can be done through various methods, depending on the amount and your preferences. Here are the main options. In-branch withdrawal. Visit a PNC branch. Go to your nearest PNC branch with a valid photo ID. Request the withdrawal. Inform the teller that you wish to withdraw a large sum of money. It's a good idea to call ahead or check with the branch to ensure the requested amount is available. Provide necessary details. Complete any forms if needed and receive your cash. ATM withdrawal. If your withdrawal limit allows, you can use a PNC ATM to withdraw cash. However, most ATMs have limits on how much you can withdraw per day. For larger withdrawals, you will need to perform multiple transactions or consider another method. Online transfer to another account. If the large amount is for transfer, use PNC's online banking to transfer funds to another account, such as an external bank or your own account at another financial institution. Wire transfers and ACH transfers are also options for sending large amounts. Pre-arrange with PNC. If you plan to withdraw a very large sum, you can pre-arrange the withdrawal by calling the bank or notifying them a few days in advance.